you ever seen a satellite? Though some people claim that the moving lights they see in the night sky are satellites, consider that at a minimum height of 160 kilometers, large satellites are said to be about the size of a city bus. Now, can you see a bus at even 20 kilometers away? Not to mention that the thermosphere is also said to exist at this distance, where the 660 degrees Celsius melting point of the aluminum comprising the satellites would be far exceeded by the 2000 degrees Celsius of the thermosphere. Even the 1660 degrees Celsius melting point of some of the titanium components would be exceeded by over 300 degrees. Now, I must emphatically state here that no one has ever seen a satellite. They do not exist, and every image of one that has been presented to you has been that of a computer-generated cartoon. The Hubble Space Telescope is another deception that flat out doesn't exist either, with every image from there a work of Photoshop. The deception is further exposed in the fact that geosynchronistic satellites, which are satellites orbiting with the rotation of the Earth, are said to be in precise synchronization in orbit around the Earth, and that any deviation, even by so much as a fraction of an inch, would result in a lost signal. Though NASA says earthquakes are among the things that slow the rotation of the Earth, these alleged satellites are yet able to maintain perfect geosynchronicity, with the occurrence of mishaps few and far between. Not to mention NASA relatively ignoring the threats posed from the infinite numbers of micrometeors and space rocks shooting unpredictably like bullets through the expanses of space. So investigate the subject for yourself and ask questions.
Howdy everyone, it's Tex again here at the Man Cave. It was a pretty blanket that a friend of mine gave me. Really like it, and it helped me to think up something, make a point about something. I think in an earlier video I may have introduced y'all to Blue, a buddy of mine, but I want you to take a look at him again. This here's Blue. Big, wet, and blue sphere. See that? It's even got its own North Pole, by golly. So, let's say it's midnight, and that light I got over there, that lamp, took the shade off of it. There's also a lamp overhead, so you got a sun glowing from there. This is one of those two sun planets like Nibiru or Europa or Io or one of those things. So anyway, when the sun's here, naturally, my hand back here on this back side, if that was us, it'd be midnight. And at midnight, we would be looking in a big circle out at the stars. And they'd look something like that. Okay? Now here's the thing that's funny. Here's the sun shining this way. So in 6 months, we're going to be way over there on the other side of the sun. And we're going to have turned. So we'll still be facing midnight out. And you're still going to see the blanket. You're still going to see the same blanket. But I don't have a blanket on that wall. And y'all help me figure this out. Or just admit the fact that Earth is flat.
Science! Science! Science!